if you ever wanted to create your own cryptocurrency, this is the right place for you. And I'm going to show you how to do that from zero. So today we are going to talk about Metal, which is the tool that I'm using to do this. And basically, as they state on their website, they add app coins on any application. So which means that they will handle everything for you and you have only to add 3 lines of code. How does that work? Basically, if you ever worked with Web3, it feels like brain surgery, right? So you need to take care of blockchain noise, about gas fees, about a lot of things that you don't really want to mess with, right? So what they do, they provide simple tools for you to use that. And by simple tools, I mean a full stack token utility, which means that all the things like sending tokens, receiving tokens, sharing tokens is actually done via REST APIs without any like blockchain problems, right? So they add the wallet management, and also they highlight this earned fees part, which means that the more you swap your token with other users, the more you earn, which means that you have a better longevity of the token itself, right? So you start from this website, you go to theirs, and then you connect. I connected via GitHub. I created a token. I called it async, and then I added what kind of liquidity I want to have for it for the beginning, for sure. And then also you can add a reward allocation basically for it. And how does that work? Even though that you take the API key here, you probably don't know where to start. They have that for you. They have a tokenized Metal app starter, which means that they prepared like a small application for you to start with, where you can just swap like the API key and start working. Here you go. These are all the routes ready for you. You just go to your .env basically, and you just swap the API key, and you will have actually your token now integrated in their application. And if you want to deploy this, you can go to Vercel and or Supabase or whatever, and or your own VM, and you deploy this. It will allow you to create now wallets, share them with holders, and so on and so forth, right? They have also this possibility where if you go to here to learn about how that happens, they explain to you how authentication work, how create a new token works as well. And if you are a Vibe coder, you can do it this way, and they will provide for you a template, basically like a V0 template to help you out to start your own token. There's other things like creating here, getting tokens and so on, but I will explain to you one good thing here. So for example, if you want to distribute the token, like send it to someone, you don't need to pass by like the whole noise of crypto chain or whatever. You just do a simple fetch, which means an API call, a post one, and then you specify the send to address. And this is the address to send to and the amount of the tokens that you want to send to. The fun part though, that they actually provide for you for each user an address. So whenever a new user gets created in your application, you will have a new address basically, and by default. So this is how I tried actually to explain it. There is no smart contracts, there is liquidity provisions, there is a lot of dashboards, token creations, and I actually added like a small section here to explain it in text basically. And this is what I was actually talking about, automatic wallet management. Every user gets a secure wallet linked to their ID. And there is also real-time token spending. So everything is in real time, there is dashboards, and there is like literally built-in liquidity system over there. They have also analytics, and there will be no smart contract headaches. You avoid audits, exploit, complex deployments, everything you avoid it. And the best part though is the REST APIs you already know. Basically, this is the simple stuff. You just, if you are familiar with fast integration of APIs, you will be actually very, very, very fast with this. That's it. Go to their website. Please let me know what you think about it. Also, let me know what you think about this application. And I will be actually streaming creating this application soon. So if you have any questions, please message me and I will be happy to answer it. Thanks a lot. Hope you enjoyed this.